Who's getting excited about the big game?
Me!
Are you? How about you, Eddie?
No, I'm not really.
I don't really watch NFL.
I don't either.
But there's so
But
many.
everybody I know, besides me and thee,
Yeah.
and thee, you know, they're in it. Some people are into football, some are into food. Just depends on which F you into. I'm into friends and food. Those are my Fs. So I do enjoy the camaraderie of the big game. And I love the food. I love all the snacking that goes along with it. So I'm going to share with y'all a recipe that, you know, don't turn up your nose now, y'all, but this is a hot turnip green dip. And I think turnip greens are my favorite of all the greens. That includes collards, cabbage, mustard, spinach. I just love turnip greens. So we have started with how many these we've used in frozen, 1 16-ounce package, but I thought they came in 10-ounce package.
They
frozen.
they actually are 15-ounce packages.
Oh, they are now. So
we
they have
got shorted an ounce.
Yeah, they have raised the price and lowered the content. Okay, so it calls for 1 16-ounce package of frozen turnips, and the recipe will tell you to drain them. There is no just draining a frozen green product. I have squeezed or squozen. Is squozen a word? Squozen ain't no word, is it? Okay, I've squeezed the daylights out of it. And look, I could stand up here and squeeze this all day and get a little liquid out of it. So, but I recommend squeezing it real well. So make sure to squeeze it. And I've got 12 ounces of cream cheese. I've got it calls for 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, but the test kitchen recommended that we bump that up to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So that's what I've done. And we've got 1/2 teaspoon. Is that 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes? So it's going to have a little bite to it. And I've got like 1 nice large onion chopped. I've got, how much is this?
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And at the end, about 5 minutes before we get through with the recipe, we'll top it with some more. We'll top it with some more Parmesan cheese at the end. Because if you put that on right now, it will get hard as a brick bat. And I like mine gooey, not hard. So I'm just going to incorporate all these ingredients. And I've got 2 cloves of minced fresh garlic. And I've got 1/4 of a cup of dry white wine that I'm going to add to it. Okie doke. 5 slices of bacon, and you see that I have not like overcooked it until it was crisp. It's nice and done, but I still want a little bit of fat to be able to cook out of that bacon. And oh yeah, and so that's really nice and done. I cooked 1 extra because somebody might be coming in the door that really loves bacon. Who knows? So I did an extra one. And now, last but not least, my 1/4 of a cup of dry white wine. Okay, did I spray this? No, I didn't. I was thinking I had sprayed it. Now we're going to bake this for about 20 minutes. You know, we just want it hot all the way through. If you want to keep this warm, if you got chafing dishes, you know, you could put in a little chafing dish, or you could actually transfer this to a slow cooker, you know, and keep it warm. All righty, so I'm just going to pile that in here. Okay, like I said, 5 minutes before it's ready to come out of the oven, we'll top it with some more Parmesan cheese, or if you prefer a softer cheese, you can top it with any kind of cheese you want, really. It's just a matter of your tongue. Okay, y'all. Our big game. Oops. It broke my, whoa. Look how hot. Look how hot it is. And I recommend that you serve it with meat skins, but you can serve this with anything you want to, whatever cracker or, but I know we do. Michael especially loves meat skins. You just have to be careful because we had a place in Albany and I went by to get a sack of real meat skins. I mean, real meat skins. And I was just eating one and my tooth just fell out. So just be careful. It's so good. And that bacon in there just turns it into a baconator. Badass. So I think all your guests are really going to like it. If you're going to somebody else's house, make this and take it to them. And tell them, I did it. I made it by myself. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.